But everything important we put up on Slack. We have a channel for, in fact, I could probably very quickly come out of this and show you our Slack channel. It's kind of big because it's kind of Potters and Business Hub all roll into one. But we've got different channels. We've got Business Hub Chat, where we're talking about various things to do with the application. And the great thing is, it's really informal. It kind of uses Giphies and things like that. They don't want to use like Messenger and Giphy keyboard, all that kind of stuff. That seems like a really stupid thing. You think, oh, why would a business want to use Giphies and emojis? And it's a business. It should be very regimented and very, But it's just a different way of working. It's a fun way of working. You've got here. I've got like a JSON document that I sent to Callum the other day. And you've got very serious business stuff combined with Giphies, which if anyone's used Giphy, occasionally you just put in a keyword, it'll create a GIF based on that keyword, or load one up. Sometimes it can be probably what you call not safe for work, but everyone kind of knows this, and it's a very fun way of working. But you've got these channels where we organise information. So we've got ideas, the bridge, which is all about talking about our new product, web projects, which is all Potters stuff, Business Hub Chat, so general business stuff for us, initial feedback on the application, so different channels to organise different bits of information. But the important thing is everything's accessible. It's all written down. If it's not written down, it doesn't exist. I've been to loads of meetings before and said, oh, so-and-so came up with a great idea, and why haven't we done it? I was like, well, it's not written down anywhere, nobody knows about it. Oh yeah, but I put it in my notebook. He said, yeah, but you didn't share that with anyone else. So how are we supposed to know? So I can't stress this enough, golden rule, if you don't write it down, it does not exist. So that's kind of keeping track, roughly. But thinking in versions, anyone know what I mean by that? Yes, exactly it, yeah. So 1.0 is version 1, 2.0. But versioning systems, often, what between 1 and 2 will be major changes. And then you'll have kind of iterative changes in between that. So you might have 1.1.1, 1.1.2, and there are lots of different ways you can kind of version things. That's probably the most common, is that kind of 3-point versioning system. But thinking in versions allows you to say, right, version 1 is going to have these features. Version 1.1 is going to have that feature. Version 1.2, actually, we're kind of just going to tidy up and bug fix that one. But version 2 is going to have all this kind of new stuff. So you kind of set a bit of a roadmap, really, for whatever the application is. The more complicated the application, the more important that becomes.